up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well amidst everything that's going on. Hope everybody is taking it easy, staying safe, practicing social distancing, all that good stuff. I am here today with another video for you guys. Whoop whoop. And I'm going to be doing like a mini makeup haul because I found out that ULTA was doing curbside pickup and that's all they needed to say to me. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys some of the things that I got, and yeah, let's get to it. Oh, shout out to my nail lady, Sparkling Nails by Kat. She's amazing, absolutely amazing. Okay, thanks. So the first thing, this is the brow fixer by Makeup Revolution. Brow fixer by Makeup Revolution, and this is a clear brow gel. I've been using which one was I using? I was using e.l.f. brow gel, and I saw this one. I was like, oh, let's see what that's about. So I'll be trying that out. Next thing we have, speaking of e.l.f., is this poreless putty primer. I've heard a couple of reviews on it, so I was interested in seeing how it will do for me. I am very particular with my primers because I know that that affects how the foundation lays, but I was willing to give this a shot, so we'll see. It says this perfecting putty primer smooths the skin and preps it with squalane, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, to help moisturize and grip makeup for all day wear. Now this says all day, so I might do a wear test on this. I don't know. The velvety texture glides over the skin, smoothing over imperfections for a poreless effect. All right, e.l.f., you're laying it on kind of thick with this. We'll see. I just might have to do a wear test on this one. Next, we have the Puff Puff Primer, and this is hemp-derived cannabis sativa. This is what the other one looks like, and this is another primer from e.l.f. And this one is a nourishing face primer that helps prep your skin for makeup. That's all it says. Straight to the point. Next we have, and I feel like I ordered this brush by accident, but I was like, you know what? Let's just see if I might like it. And this is the Real Techniques Insta Pop face brush, but this is for powder. I call myself ordering the black and orange one, and this popped up. This is what came in my order. So I was like, you know what? We'll see what happens. Then, Makeup Revolution lately has been really blowing my mind because like some of the products that they've been releasing lately or that I'm just getting hip to, I'm just like, okay. And this might be one of them. This is the Calming Makeup Fixing Spray. You guys can see that. This is what the bottle looks like, and the bottle is so pretty, so pretty. And this is with cannabis sativa as well. So yeah, this acts as a fixing spray. I believe that most fixing sprays can act as a prepping spray as well, but that's just me. Everybody's different. And I finally got my hands on this Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This is only one of the colors. I think I ordered like 5. I think, yeah, I ordered like 5. But this is one of the foundations that I want to try. I've been looking for it, couldn't find it. So yeah, gonna be trying out one of these. And then last but not least, y'all, I just want y'all to know I saw the outside of this palette and it caught my attention like that. Then I saw the inside of the palette as I kept scrolling through the pictures. Baby, I had to have it. This is by ABH. And this is from the Norvina collection. Wait till I open this thing. Do you see how pretty the casing is though? And this is hard. So that I love. Now we're going to open it. Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Like, are you sitting down? Are you sitting down? Okay. I don't know if y'all ready. I don't know if y'all ready. I feel like you think you're ready, but you're not ready. Okay, I'm gonna show it to y'all. Do you see that? Do you flippin' see this? Like, what? Bruh. Bruh. Like, I cannot wait to get my hands on these colors, because I feel like they are just like, they're calling to me. They're like, Jasmine, play with us. So like, I have to, like, I have to do a look with some of these colors. I have to, like, it's mandatory. ABH, you did a great job with this palette. Great job with this palette. Like, off rip from what I see. So I'm looking forward to trying it out. Yeah, so those are some of the goodies that I recently picked up. I am going to do, I may do a look soon with this palette. I think I am. So you guys stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you get those notifications every time I drop a video. Make sure you share with your friends. So yeah, I appreciate y'all. I love y'all so much, and I will see you next time. Peace.